Wizara yechimbwa kubwatirana n'ekiombe kia Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC nigo bachakira omuroberio bwokoenana amaegerio okubwatikana n'echimbwa chingia gochiase aborokiwa b'echikuru au litkoria rero omuroberio nigo korekana ase skuru ya Kisii School awase aborokiwa baba konyora amaegerio yogochigonchorera chimbwa chiabo chinga kibagenderete na masomo muri keito Sara Nyarangi ontita ntorobati orwa senchira y'obwime.
Wizara yechisemi yekubwatirana n'ekiombe kyogotuka chimbwa chingia Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC nigo giachakirie omuroberio bwokorwa amaegerio asa aborokiwa korwa chiskuru choboroso goika chiskuru chechisekondari omuroberio okoreka ase skuru yabamura ya Kisii buna akwerera Vincent Okongo oyoromo bisa korwa sekiombe kio.
Today is a very important occasion in the school calendar and indeed the fight against corruption and promotion of integrity in our country. The EACC, in collaboration with the Ministry of Education, has a program of integrity clubs which are set up across all primary and secondary schools in this country. The main objective of integrity clubs is to develop good character among our young people and to promote them and to promote integrity not only among the young people but also
amaegeria yo asorgongo rwa South Nyanza na chiegwikirana ase chinsemo ao elio kwene kia chimbwa chingia nigononye na bagavana na barai ao bali bagoso abisi bakoira chira chiabo nagotiana aso kubwatie katiba nagosika enibo yabananchi.
All state officers elected and appointed are expected to take oath of office to commit to integrity pursuant to Section 40 of the Leadership and Integrity Act and Chapter 6, and to give a commitment to all Kenyans.
Omworokia omonene korwa ase skuru eyo yabamura ya Kisii Fred Mogaka nakwanera boigo igoro yomoroberio yo.
Integrity Club, we have it in our institution. We are using it in preaching integrity in our internal exams, like we have the continuous assessment tests where students will always be their own advocates.
Abarokiwa korwa chiskuru au abubaikirana asa maegeria yo mbaerera buno moroberio yo o Integrity Club banyolire obumanyo bonene na nigo baguchako babantaba ya chinga kicyabosyo elyo kwene kiyabuna barwanirie esegi igoro yobokurumi.
Forward we look to promoting a society that is free from corruption.
Sara Nyarangi ontita Ndizi TV.